Ah, shite. I forgot that I have overlapping projects and I did not film this setting. But I said it, it's on there. Relatively cleaned up. Now I drill the holes to set more stones. I had too much coffee and now I feel like my blood is vibrating. Alrighty. Now I make the ring. My watch is looking mighty sexy in this clip. And now the finale. Put this shit together. There we go. Now, should I set stones all the way down here? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. I call this piece no solder because I didn't use any solder. Get it? You get it. So because this ring is a moissanite is a 9.5 on the Mohs hardness scale. Diamond's a 10. So I could do stuff like this. I could write where I want, when I want, what I want. The ring is part sadist,